Hi guys, we're having a giveaway and it's going to be Adams Polishes Detailer Kit. All you have to do is enter on the website by buying a sticker at txstreetsociety.com. The giveaway ends February 17th. More information on the giveaway is on our Instagram at txstreetsociety. So tell your friends and thanks for watching.
We are reaching for the stars.
How fast you got? Pretty fast?
I've gotten but what gets you sometimes is the wheel. The way they're set up. Yeah. You try to slide it on there and you get a little jacked up. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, sometimes it feels like NASCAR around here.
Alrighty, so today we're gonna go get my new tires mounted and balanced. Potentially going to get the front end aligned on here. I'm gonna go load the tires up in the back of the pickup. I guess I'm gonna bring you along and give you an update whenever I get there. So, alrighty, so we're at the tire shop and we got the new nittos that are gonna go on. So, anyways, like I said, there ain't nothing special, but they're just replacements. But on these trays, these motherfuckers are about gone. On these, and especially on the front, these motherfuckers are almost gone. This is my good buddy John. Anyways, he's the tire dude around here. And he weighs more than a tire dude, but he does all my tires and installs and stuff. So, anyways. Yeah, I need to wash and detail this motherfucker. I put new shocks on the back or do something. Got my airbag right here, and so I'm just got them rubber all over this. This rubber just caked on the damn exhaust. Yeah. I gotta admit though, these calipers, man, they're not that bad at all. They stop a hell of a lot better than the stock. And you know, I went with slotted and drilled because the heating and cooling, because you know, when I pull trailers, these motherfuckers get used a lot more than those. And then of course whenever I'm, you know, just driving around the street, the front ones are used more obviously. So kind of irritated that it's rusting up top a little bit, but hell, it has been pouring fucking rain lately and been driving through a bunch of water. So alright, so for those who don't know, when I redid my front end, I did new upper control arms, I did new lower control arms, I did new shocks, I did new tire rods, ins and outs, and the only thing I didn't do, the insides and stuff like pitman arm, idler arm, and all that stuff, I should have did all that. But with that being said, yeah, like I said, I redid my front end and I have it realigned and everything, but while I was there, I went ahead and did all new, you know, rotors all the way front and back, and I did new calipers on the front. So anyways, that's just for those who don't know. So I mean, they're better than nothing.
Oh yeah.
I bet you they'll get me out of a bind if I need them.
Yeah, in case you need some junk tires.
Yeah, oh yeah, or another burnout set.
Yeah. A practice set.
Yeah, oh yeah.
We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard, and I wonder where you are, mysterious. That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious.
So tell me again, and tell people who's watching that may not have ever seen this process, or if they've seen it and they don't know what the fuck the numbers mean.
Oh yeah.
So
each one of these little numbers is a stick-on weight that goes on the inside of these wheels.
Alrighty.
And it's what helps your ride either not bounce or not vibrate.
Alrighty.
The lower the number, the better the ride.
Alrighty. So what is this telling us we need? We need a weight there, and there?
Yeah, it's telling us we need weights in 3 different spots, but I'm trying to lower it down because that's kind of up there.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Sometimes you put too much on there, it doesn't fix it.
Yeah, oh yeah.
See, that's a lot better.
Yeah, oh yeah.
1 and 1.
So what was that first one telling us? It was basically saying that it was really out of whack.
It was either it wasn't set up right, which I might have had it a little bit crooked. That's why I loosened it and put it back on.
I got you.
And or your tire can be not completely sealed off. And it'll be like it'll be throwing it off because the weight's not right.
I got you.
But we're good now. 2 ounces is very good weight.
Appreciate it. Yeah, hell, we still got to line up our or hook up the tire pressure sensor.
Yes, sir.
So, yeah, I appreciate it. Oh yeah, my bad. I need to clean them better. My bad.
Oh, that's fine.
Well, hopefully that'll work. It's better than what it was.
Yes, sir.
You ever had these come off?
Yeah. Some of these wheels, the chrome starts chipping off.
Yeah, oh yeah.
And it's just. It's a hard surface to stick to.
Yeah, oh yeah.
And so they come off. And then people that go in
the mud
a lot,
yeah,
it'll scrape them off.
Shit. How fast this damn thing spins? Like 10, 15, 20 mile an hour?
Probably like about maybe 20 at the most.
10, 20, yeah. Not too bad. Damn, it says we're good to go.
Should be a nice smooth ride. Everything's in the green.
Hell yeah. I bet this tire machine's at least fucking $10,000 to $15,000, $20,000.
Yeah, and this is not even
the newest
$5 one.
Yeah,
we got another one over there way at the end. Acts as the road. It picks the tire up for you.
Oh shit.
It tells you to spin it to make it make the weight go down on there. Like, it's pretty fancy. I bet that one's at least $20,000.
Man, I know these are expensive, so. Alrighty, not every day you get to get under here and look on a lift. So, anyways, I did oil change the other day. Hell, I haven't been under here since. And just make sure everything is a little tight. And I'm gonna tighten this up a little bit. It looks like it, may need to be tightened just a little. But other than that, looks pretty good so far. Got that down pipe in there. It's holding up pretty good, but the transmission's still doing good. So, anyways, not doing too bad. So, I just like making sure it's tight, So, it's not that I'm trying to be picky on it, but like I said, I just want to make sure everything's good. I noticed yesterday when I had the pickup getting its tires and mounted and balanced and installed, when it was up on the lift, that my sway bar link on the driver's side was missing. I went ahead and went and bought a whole new kit, and now I'm installing it. I didn't buy these because my old ones were in decent shape. They weren't too bad. I guess just over time they, got loose, and just fucking all the trips to Lubbock and that rough ass road, and just kind of, all the Mexico trips as well. Just kind of took its toll on it, and then off-roading and all the hunting I've been doing lately. And I got this side installed. I just got to tighten it down and torque it to 20 foot-pounds, and then do the other side, and then I'm going to take the truck up and get the truck aligned. So. Oh, wait, that's what the Goon Squad bought for their fucking.
Yeah.
Bought those strips. It says hardware and paint, but I don't see no fucking paint at all.
Probably in the back.
I guess I'm blind. I don't know.
I don't see any paint.
I don't either. Let's take another fucking gander at this shit. Or look, or whatever the fuck you want. Just come back here and look again. I don't see flat. Hang it.
Are we one aisle off?
Maybe. Yeah, I guess so. Yep. So instead of being the aisle that it shows at the bend, it's one behind us.
Close enough.
Alright, I just need black. That'd be crazy. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grind the rust. I'm gonna grind the rust off, and I'm gonna grind it down a little bit, and then I'm gonna repaint it. Alrighty, so what I like to do is come in here, jack it up, take the tires and wheels off, and check the frame spots for rust. And so with that being said, I'm gonna grind it down with this a little bit, and what I'm gonna do is come back and get the black paint. It's supposed to be rust preventative. See how it holds up, and we'll go from there. So.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
We do have Cletus and Cars coming up in about 2 weeks or so, and I'm gonna take this down to Houston, and I'm gonna run it on the track. Just gonna see what it does with the setup it has. I don't know, I imagine it'll probably run a 12 or a 13 or so. Alrighty, so with that being said, I guess we'll holler at y'all next time, and I don't know, we'll go from there.